Hey guys, it's Sunday afternoon. Happy Easter. It's Easter Sunday. Communicated with a few people and it's all good. I'm trying to clean up trash, old plywood, old residual stuff that it's falling apart anyway. Spent a little time. You know, my days run short sometimes because I got to go and get fuel and propane and whatever I got to do. But it's 62 degrees, so this don't feel bad at all. I tell you, we could take a walk around. I got a lot of bad bags of concrete now. Mice got in there and ate the paper. The moisture got to the concrete, and there you have it. But when I start putting the knee wall up here, I can backfill it with all the bad bags, the footers I'm filling in at the bottom with all the hard stuff. It doesn't matter. Hell, I could even set the bags down first and not even take the paper off to give it a base. So let's take a walk around. I'll show you real quick what's done today, and that's about it for today. As I showed you, I used the auger. I got my posts in. It was, you know, you got to dig a trench to slide them in there, and I would pour concrete in there and shore them up, but I haven't found a good bag yet. That one is locked and loaded. I'm starting to get the rat run all connected all the way down. That'll tell me where they go. And then once they're concreted in, then I can start attaching them. And I still have to do, before I can do that, you know, Mac is funny. Mac is my cohort in crime. We work together. He's like, hey, you got to save something for us to do. I'm like, dude, I am so far behind the 8 ball. I'm not going to take any of this off. I'm not taking any of it off. I can see where the floor goes. I can see where the framing is. I'm going to utilize what I got, and I'm going to bolt right to it. Because you can see right here at this fold, that's where the floor is. So I don't need to just spend more time doing odd jobs when I've got all this big stuff to do. So that's that. I got so far. I'm not going any further today. Got the fire going. Got the screen ready. You know, it's going to rain all day tomorrow, so we'll see how it plays out. I'm going to take these jacked up 4x4s and I'm going to cut them up first. Because you know, when we're looking at these kind of bracing, if it's got a little bend to it, who cares? You know, it's not really going to serve that much of a purpose. Once I do this and lock all this in, it's not going to serve that big of a purpose. But I got to follow the requirements that are on me. So anyway, I hope everybody had a happy Easter Sunday. Spent time with family and friends. I'm not going to go too long here. It's been a great run. And I just got to take it a day at a time. You know, I'm just a retired guy trying to finish up my room here, because it's in phases. Do one room at a time. I laid out the rest of the blocks over on the side. I got a little bit more wood left. I stacked some over here, getting ready, because I'd like to frame both floors at the same time. And once all the material is gone and I've used it all up, then I'm gonna move on to the next thing. Right now I got too much stuff laying around. The concrete was that was a problem because of the temperature and winter, and I lost probably about 15, 18 bags. That's fine. Like I said, I can use them somewhere else. But I'm good, I'm happy, I'm healthy. I'm trying not to work every day, all day, because it gets old quick. I got good friends. Mac and I are working crazy, everything. You name it, we do it. And Stefan finally came back, so I don't have to feed the animals. And I got a lot of yard work to do. So I think the next step, concentrate on using up all the materials that are here, all the projects that got going, and then itemize each project down to this one first, second, third, and then that'll be a little better. Got too many things going on at once. So we got a nice fire going. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful Easter Sunday. And I hope everybody is happy and healthy. Do yourself a favor. Save up some money. Put some money aside, 3-4 months in a safe, shoebox, don't care. Undisclosed location. And get some gold and silver if you can. Because as I watch, the bail-in could happen at any time. It's not going to be a bailout. It's going to be a bail-in. They'll go after pension funds. They'll go after everything. Savings accounts. So make sure you cover yourself. Don't get debt-ridden. Get them credit cards paid off, cut them up, and use cash, or use patience and buy something when you can afford to buy something. I know a lot of people have to use credit cards right now because economy is not the greatest. However, do what you can. Don't worry about me. I'm surrounded by military people all the time. Everybody in my inner circle is military, and I love them to death. They're the greatest people on the planet. Call me, talk to me, how you doing? And it's a wonderful thing. So I'm not one to be worried about, but I would set up and make sure that you can take care of yourself in the next oncoming 2 years, because there's some changes coming in, a lot of talk, and you got to watch them. So be prepared. Water, food, pay off your debts. You know, I planned to do this all my life. I just had to do it earlier. I still retired. Nothing happened. Nothing major happened. The earth didn't stop. It's just another move. So be happy and healthy. Be prepared. Take care. Have a great day. And I'll talk to you after I get the rest of this framing done. It'll be next week. I don't know what's coming up this week. But like everybody else, got my taxes done, got everything done, all the paperwork and hoopla. And now I can concentrate more on working outside. All right, guys. Have a great night, and we'll talk to you soon.